Does the Nifty returns make you feel that we've already had a good run up in the last 2, 3, 4 years and we are here in for a correction? Watch this video to know more. Hi, my name is Anuj Gupta, your strategic wealth consultant from Tag Investments. The Nifty returns of last 20 years is shown here, and we notice that in the last 3 odd years, or rather 4 years, we've seen positive returns of 3%, 28%, 3%, and 12%. And in the recent times during the COVID pandemic times, we see in 2020 we are minus 11%. That might give anybody a feeler that probably after 3, 4 good number of years, we've seen a good return in Nifty, so we are here in for a correction. But well, this is not the truth. Look at the broader market returns. The Nifty Mid Cap 100, comprising of the top 100 mid cap companies after the large cap companies. In the last 2 years, they have actually given negative returns, and 2020 is again followed by a negative return. This is the history of last 10-15 years of the Nifty Mid Cap 100. So whenever it has given positive returns, it is followed and due for a correction, and then again it rises high. So again, 2 straight years good returns, then negative returns, then negative returns, then followed by a positive return. Again negative returns, then followed by 3 or 4 years of positive returns. And last 3 years has actually been negative. So there is no reason to feel that we are here in our we are due for correction. To to showcase further returns of Nifty small cap, again the last 3 years, 2018, 19, 20 for Nifty small cap 100 has been negative, which means that we have not actually uh, gone up. Considering the last 3 years, actually we've been given getting negative returns in the Nifty small cap 100, which is basically a broader market and not only comprising of the top 50 stocks, unlike Nifty, which we were seeing that last 3, 4 years have been positive and we are here or due for a correction. So the message to the viewers is that we are in no way are we due for a correction. For last 3 years, actually the broader market has not performed well, which means that if the economy picks up, which will pick up in due course of time, in say next 6 months to 12 months, we should see economy reviving. So there is no way the markets are not going to perform well in the times to come. So somebody who is a long-term investor having a horizon of 18 months and above should stay put, and somebody who's a new investor again having an investment horizon of 18 months and above should definitely start investing and top up whenever the market allows you to. When I say market allows you to enter, is that any time is a good time. You can buy on dips, which means whenever you see a correction of 3-5% from here onwards to the next 18 months, you can keep on adding uh, small kitties to your investment portfolio, which is due for maturity 18 months and above. So we are very positive in terms of the markets performing well in the next 18 months and above. Yes, the short term in the next 3 to 4 quarters, we do see a lot of volatility, but that is where the traders make a lot of money. But if you're a investor and have a long term horizon of more than 1.5 years, then definitely this is the market where you can invest in, and we are very positive on it. Thank you so much.